Hey, I'm Cody Askins. I get the question a lot. Cody, what should I look for when selecting or choosing a life and health insurance agency? I've got 5 C's I'm going to walk through right now that you need to know, you need to look for as you are looking for people to work with. Whether you're brand new to the industry, whether you're unhappy where you're at and you're looking somewhere else, right? Whatever it is, these things you need to be considering, need to be asking, and you absolutely need to know. Okay, number 1 is contract. Okay, number is like, do you have to sign a contract? Are you truly independent? What does that look like? If you wanted to leave and go somewhere else, do you have to sit out for a while? Like, these are things you need to be thinking about, right? Very important. Okay, I don't want you to get locked up somewhere and then you like hate it and then you can't go somewhere else. Now, I want to preface, I do believe you can succeed at a high level anywhere. I believe you could throw me into any line stand anywhere in the industry and I'm gonna have success. I believe you can too. So be thinking about that as well. Like, I'm not saying just look to leave. If you can have success, people are having success, maybe sometimes we are the problem, right? Which is true. Okay, so number 1 is contract. Think about, like, do you have to sign a contract? Are you contractually obligated to them? What does that look like, right? 2 is commissions. Okay, commissions are important. What kind of comp? I'm not saying it's all about commission, and it's not. What kind of comp do they offer? Are you paid by the agency? Are you paid by the carrier? Like, you just need to. I'm not saying that like you shouldn't work for any certain specific place. What I'm saying is you need to understand the pieces of what you're getting into, right? I don't buy a house and then find out it's got termites. Like, I'm gonna, do an inspection before I buy a house, right? So be thinking about those things as you're doing this. This is a very important piece because your commission dollars is the direct money that you're getting paid, and who are you getting paid from, how much you're getting paid. Just understand how you're getting paid. A lot of new agents get in the business and they're very naive. Maybe you don't know any better, maybe you didn't ask. Maybe you didn't research. Maybe you didn't look some stuff up. I would always talk to more than one company when you're choosing a company. That's kind of, I think that's smart. I also think just actually like doing a Google search about that company is probably a good idea. Like, if they don't have anything to hide, why would they care, right? Number 2 is commissions. Number 3 is changes. Okay, can you change uplines anytime? Do they release their agents if for whatever reason? Like, or again, do they release you? Do you have to sit out? Can you, if you're at this certain Medicare agency or life insurance agency, could you go over here later on in life, right? Because I do believe that different people can help you and serve you at different parts of your career. Now, can you make a career and make a ton of money at one place? Totally, right? And it could be any of the places in the industry. Again, I'm not saying that. However, what I am saying is just be in the know, right? I think knowing what do the changes look like? Are they going to change stuff on you later? Could they? Think about changes and what could change. These are good things to ask, right? And can you change and go work with somebody, another party? Do they, if you wanted to go, do they release you or are you held hostage? Again, I'm just saying, I'm trying to protect you. These are things to look for. Okay, we also work with a lot of different people that are close in my network that I trust, that I would refer you to, right, that you could work with, that I think is really important too, to mention that we have a lot of people that we are close with in our circle that I just like, Next is not changes, but charges, okay? Charges, this is important too, right? Do they charge you for everything under the sun? Or do they include a lot of it in your package, right? Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't pay for some stuff, because but I do believe like the more you pay attention. I believe in investing in your business. I believe in like actually having skin in the game. I believe in those things. But I'm not saying that you should just be being nickel and dimed. Like some companies, they make more off of 2 things, okay? Some companies, no lie, I'm not saying I like this either, but I'm just saying it's true. They make more off of charging people to join their company than they do off of the actual insurance they make. That's a little wacky, right? If they're an insurance company, you just make money off of a bunch of money off of insurance, okay? They just should. Of charging like a joining fee, right? So if they get 100 agents to join every week at $100, that's 10 grand a week. That's $500,000 a year. Boom, 5 million in 10 years off of just joining fees. Maybe their insurance company don't even make that much money on the back end. I don't know, it should, but you get the idea. Second piece to that is leads. I'm not saying an IMO or an agency can't make money off of helping you get in front of people, but I am saying some of them make way more money off of leads than actual insurance. I also think that could be an issue. Okay, I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying these things you need to know, you need to think about. And I'm going to share some behind the scenes secret stuff, Wizard of Oz curtain stuff that maybe others aren't telling you and that you just don't know. Unless Dylan and I share it with you right now. Okay, charges. And then 5 is chasing. You know, like this is a really important one. And my name is Cody, so 5 C's, why not? When it comes to chasing, do they help you with getting in front of other people? Or do you have to chase uninterested prospects, right? I do believe this is really important to add, because getting in front of people is the number one reason why insurance agents fell out of business. So getting in front of people consistently every week and helping them buy insurance is kind of an important piece. There's a lot of places in the industry where they just throw you to the wolves. They don't tell you how to get in front of people. They don't give you ideas. They don't give you access to like I cold door knocked and cold called when I first started, but I at least did something, right? And most people need to be doing something. So when you're like chasing to get in front of people, are they helping you with chasing down prospects, or is it all up to you and there's never any help and you're like freaking feel alone and you're on a deserted island all by yourself? Like, what does that look like? Okay. Because when I say what to look for in a life and health agency, these are things to consider. These are things to look for when you're selecting or choosing, because you're partnering. I believe a business partnership, right, is like a marriage. Most people don't want it to end in divorce, but they should plan for divorce, because if it were to happen, you've planned ahead, right? So same with business. I believe when I get into partnerships, I plan for the business partnership to end. Why? Because I don't want it to end, but if I plan that way, then I'm at least a better alert. I know what's going on and I'm actually in the loop and I'm trying to like be better prepared, if you know what I mean. Okay, so thanks for checking this out. Again, my name is Cody Askins. We help insurance agents get to 6 figures. We help agencies get to 7. And we want to help you find and stick and last and stay, whether I can refer you and help you with people that I know in my network that want to help agents right now, or whether it's you just being more in the know so that you can be more successful. Either way, we want to help you. We want to see you succeed. Thanks for watching.
Hey, if you enjoyed this, I got another one you're gonna love. It's right there. Click on it. See you in there.
Welcome back to How to Sell Life Insurance. This is going to be a video, like a recap video, and also some new training that I haven't released before on how to sell more life insurance. I did a video called How to Sell Life Insurance Amazing. It looks like it was January